Want to plan your content like a pro in just 90 seconds? Let's set up Trello on your PC. Super easy. First, open your browser and go to Trello.com. Click Sign Up for a free account or log in if you already have one. Click Create New Board and name it Content Plan. Choose a fun background. Then add lists like Ideas, In Progress, and Done. Drag cards to organize your posts. Add a card for your next post, like YouTube video. Set a due date and create a checklist for tasks like script and edit. It's that simple. Invite your team by email to collaborate. Move cards as you go and watch your content plan come to life. Look at that organized board. That's it. You're ready to plan content with Trello on PC. Like this video for more tips and start creating today.